Hi, I'm Sean, and my partner Reina is helping me with the camera today. Dumela, Kunjani, and hello. Today we're going to show you how to make a compost ring. This compost ring is the newest way to make compost in 6 months, just like that. It's actually quite simple. Let's take you through the different steps. Sit, sit. Good girl. Okay, so what we need is, we need 3 meters of wire mesh, and what we're going to do, we're going to put it in a big circle, and then we're going to give it make it a bit more secure with some virgin wire. Once you have 3 meters of mesh, this will be the ring of the new compost ring method. You'll also need a ground lining.
That's me over there.
These two need to come together. Right on the board. As you can see, it forms a ring, and then you're going to be putting compost inside this. This wire is quite loose, so sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's difficult, but it will knot itself if you work with it too fast. This is how one used to do compost. You just add all your compost on a heap, leave it for a few years, and then basically turn it every couple of months. We tried it last year, and as you can see, it's just an eyesore. So this is why we have come up with the very new compost ring idea, and how you can get compost in 6 months. So we've placed the compost ring, and now we're going to start adding the raw materials. The important part is at the bottom is to have yourself some sticks and some logs, and that's going to help with the drainage. So let's do that. Layer by layer, we're going to fill this compost ring up. We have finished adding the logs and the twigs. Now we're going to be adding the straw. The straw will go to about 3/4 of the way, and then we're going to be adding the manure. Cool. Just going to literally just throw the straw on top evenly. The straw, you want to get the straw to about a third of the height, and then you're going to add the rest of your garden organic material to the top chock-a-block. We've now evenly distributed the straw. We're going to add the manure to it now. The manure is complementary of ARC, which in South Africa is the Agricultural Research Centre. Thank you so much for the manure. It is cow manure. You need to add some kind of manure to a compost to activate it. That helps breaking down of the organic material. Please remember, when working with a compost, you should stick to only organic material. Organic material is leaves, plants, animals, livestock, anything inorganic, which is everything from plastic to rubber to anything that cannot biodegrade. Don't put it in your compost. It's not going to degrade. It's just going to mess up the ecosystem inside your compost. If you want to, I know it sounds weird, but you can use your own urine to help the compost break down faster, but cow manure should suffice. Okay, now we're going to add layer after layer of our organic material from our old school compost heap. Compost ring. This you should be topping up every month or every time you cut the grass. Because of the size of our garden, we're actually going to be making 6 of these all the way along here. Please come back in 6 months so we can show you exactly how to harvest this compost. because what's going to happen, the outside of the compost won't biodegrade that much because of the natural elements, but inside the compost is where all the action is going to take place. So that will happen and take place in 6 months' time, and you'll also see our row of compost heaps at the end of that. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We want to make many more to do with gardening or how to grow trees, how to grow vegetables. As you can see, our earthworms from last week, they're doing well. I had a peek, they're doing fantastic. For this round, we're doing the compost, and thank you so much. Bye.